Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to fix green line in screen problem in Find X9S Pro. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.